How to add a workout app widget to your Android home screen. This tutorial shows you how to add a Samsung Health widget directly to your Android home screen. First, go to your home screen on your Android device. After that, pinch in on the screen with two fingers or long press on any empty space on the home screen. From there, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with several options. At this point, tap on Widgets to open the widget selection screen. In the next step, scroll through the list of available apps and look for Samsung Health. Following this, tap on Samsung Health to expand its available widget styles. Once done, browse through the different widget sizes and styles available. From here, tap and hold on the widget you want to add and drag it to your preferred spot on the home screen. At this stage, release your finger to drop the widget in place. After this, if the widget requires any setup like selecting which workout or activity to display, a setup prompt will appear. Follow the on-screen steps to configure it. Finally, tap anywhere outside the widget to confirm the placement, and your Samsung Health workout widget will now be live on your home screen. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you add a workout widget to your home screen, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.